that they'd have free passage back to the west and to the north if they lay down their arms. Like good believing Welshmen, they lay down their arms, and every 4,000 to 5,000 of their throats were cut. Not one English life was taken, but between 5,000 and 6,000 Welshmen were killed. So we're going to raise this plaque there, as you've already seen, and I urge you to look at the crowdfunding page next year when we need to get £2,000 to put it there. Bearing in mind, slate commemorating plaques to our heroes and heroines get severely damaged by people who don't agree with it. So this time we're going to make it very thick, we're going to make it very strong, and it's going to be in a place which can be seen all the time. So we're learning by our mistakes. While the pipes are being played, if anybody's got any wreaths, can you come up and lay them there? Years shapeless as sand dunes, oblivion drifted over Aberfraw. The four-sided grave on the banks of the Allow gave up the dust of Branwen, but the stone coffins rang empty of the bones of fallen princes, dead principalities. The hall brought from Conway to the hold of the stone battleship moored below Saguntium is unaccounted for. An ignorant past, careless of its idiot plunder, spendthrift even of David's sapphire and the cross Neth, has squandered our treasure, bestowed on harlotry the wages of our blood, sold in the marketplace the decent things of our people for beer and beads. So we have come to this. There is nothing left tangible, no way of speech or thought or song that is valid anymore. There is only death, ours, the nation's, and all the deaths for her sake. So we have come to this stone. In the time of yellow grass, no flowers, iron earth, so we have come. Here is the only stone, water and death. In a dead season, there is no guarantee that anything will come of this. No sacrament is valid anymore. The slack dunes spread further inland, the wells turn brackish or they dry up. Here in the heart of the hills, where the strategic roads converge to crucify, a stone, water and words. In the cold air the words fall like stones. In water, a splash, a ripple of rings, a brief erosion, but the echo rouses the sleeping inaugural birds, and suddenly the sky is full of wings.
Yeah.